world, it's me, Lily. What's up? I am a bariatric bad girl, and what that means to me is that I am empowered to walk this journey on my terms with my rules. And I can have cupcakes, and I can drink from straws, and I can eat chocolate, and I can have coffee, because those are my terms and my rules and what brings me happiness. And that those things may not be good for me, but they're mine, and I am bad enough to take my own responsibility for those things. It means that I have somewhere for support on days when things are good as well as when things are bad. And it also tells me that not everybody who has weight loss surgery are, 1, sickly, 2, wafer thin, and 3, trying to conform to what society thinks is beautiful. That's what being a bad girl means to me.